Hey guys, Dean here again with Team Deborah, and in today's video we're going to be doing a Watch Me Build campaign for an AdVD offer, and we're going to be promoting it on the Megapush network. So I hope you guys are excited. We're going to be going through this very detailed. We're going to be taking a look at some of the different offers on the AdVD network, as well as coming up with some of the ad creations, what I use for translating, and just pretty much everything step by step within the CPA marketing tutorial for push notifications with Megapush. And with that being said, guys, if you guys haven't already signed up for the AFK forum, be sure to sign up for it by using the link in the description below. You can sign up for free. There's a lot of great information being shared on there around affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, making money online in general. One of the fastest online growing communities, over 2,000 active subscribers on there currently. So again, if you guys haven't signed up already, make sure you do that by using the link in the description below. And with that being said, let's go ahead and move on to the content. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started with this Watch Me Build campaign. Again, we're going to be taking a look at some AdVD CPA offers here today, and we're going to be promoting them as push notifications through the Megapush push traffic network. So let's just get started here. Let's take an in-depth look a little bit about AdVD. So AdVD is a performance marketing network. They have affiliate offers all around the world. They offer sweepstakes, all types of different things for their network. Today we're going to be taking a look at some of their sweepstake offers. So let's go ahead and dive on into the actual platform and take a look at what AdVD has to offer. Oh, wants me to log in again, so we'll just do that. We're going to come over here to offers. So it's pretty easy to find all the offers here. Right off the bat, we are just going to go to sweepstakes, and let's take a look at all the sweepstake offers that they have here. Looks like we're already approved for quite a bit of them. So most of these look like they're in Germany, Italy, Belgium, it looks like, things like that. I think there's one US offer. So for me to be able to look at these, I would need a VPN, just because these aren't working here either. So I will have to take a look at those and see. But for today, I actually already decided and chose on an offer that I have seen on here before. I've actually run it myself. So we're just going to work with that. That way I don't have to get my VPN working, because sometimes it is a pain on the MacBook. And, well, I can't really show you guys landing page previews here because they don't work. So the offer that we're going to be doing today is going to be this Adidas shopping voucher for Italy. It's single opt-in. Not really too many restrictions. And that's pretty much it. I can try and pull up the link. It's not gonna show me, I don't believe. Nope, no preview for me at this time. But I know that this is the link that we are gonna need, as well as I've ran this offer before, so I know what it says. So let's go ahead and get started. The first things first that we're going to need to do is we're going to want to take this tracking link here, and we're going to need to bring it over to volume, so that way we can start setting up the offer, as well as start linking AdVD with the volume tracker as well as Megapush. So let's go ahead and do that. So here we are on volume. First things first, when you go through and you set up these networks, is you want to make sure that you have the affiliate network set up, that you have your traffic sources set up, and then eventually we're going to go ahead and set up the offers here together, as well as start a new campaign. We already have AdVD set up here as an affiliate network, I believe, with us, but just to make sure, I'm going to go ahead and click right here, and let's see. And so it's already set up for my team, but let me go ahead and show you how it's done. It's super simple with volume. It's easily integrated. It's already actually on here. as one of the sources, as you can see, for built-in integration. So you would just click it, come on here and hit create, and then name it. For mine, we named it DYT because this is the Debaru YouTube team. And then that's it. Everything else is already pre-set up by volume and Adviti, so those are all good to go. You all have your parameters and tokens and everything that you need. You would just hit save, and that would be it. So for this, I'm going to go ahead and leave it alone because as you can see, I already have it. The next step would be to set up the traffic sources, which we also have set up here. Let me double check. I'm pretty sure we do. Yeah, we do, except I'll just use Praveen's for now. But basically, you would just go through and you would set up the traffic source as well for Megapush. So for today, since that's already set up here as well for us, I'm going to go ahead and set up a new offer. So here's offer. I'm going to click new offer, create. And for the affiliate network, it is going to be Adviti. So as you can see, that's right here. The global tag, this is only for Italy. That is where the Adidas offer is from. So as you can see, we have the preview already set up for that. Now we just need to put in a little bit more information on this actual campaign that we're going to be running. So this is an Adviti YouTube or Debaru campaign for Italy, and it's going to be mobile only. And this offer is for Adidas. And I believe that's it because we already have the rest, so that's good to go. This is where we're going to put in that URL. Now, let's see. I believe it's actually going to do it automatically for us. Should do it automatically. So that's good to go. Now what we do is we come over here to campaigns. Going to go ahead, new campaign. Simple. The traffic source is Megapush. I'm just going to steal Praveen's for now since we're on the same team. Here's Italy. Again, it is mobile. And it's Adidas. And I'll put up here, add beauty, because that's not on there. Just want to make sure. And cost model, we're going to do that automatically. As for the path is going to stay here. The direct linking is what we're going to be doing because we don't have any landers set up for this, so we're not going to need that. And now we're just going to choose the offer, which would be, here we are. There's that. And then we just hit save, and now we're good to go. So this is our tracking link that we actually use for promoting the offer over on Megapush. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and copy this. I'm going to hit done. We're good to go here. And the next step is actually to move over to Megapush and start building out our campaign there. So here we are. Let me just go back to the main screen so we can start from the beginning. We're going to go to push campaigns. I'm going to go ahead and create a new campaign. Again, this offer is for Italy specifically. So here's Italy. I'm only going to do mobile only for this. Here's the post back. For the title and message, we'll just leave that alone for right now. Let's see. And, all right. So, what we're going to do is we're going to add the image. This is going to be a regular, actually let's add the icon first, that way I don't have to go back. So we're going to add the icon. This is going to be what pops up over here. So here's the icon. For today, we're going to be using green one here. Typically when you do these campaigns though, guys, you're going to want to make sure that you add multiple creatives. You're going to want to try out multiple images, multiple icons. You are going to want to try out different ad copies as well, so you can kind of see what angles are working with the audience that you're promoting to. For today, we're just going to do one offer here. So here's that. As you can see, if you need to do some cropping, you can do that as well. Ours is good to go. It's already the 192 by 192. If you needed to resize it, you could use programs like Canva, where you can just type in the dimensions and kind of resize it and save the new image. For today, we're not going to do that because it's already good to go, and because Megapush actually kind of lets you crop them themselves. So if you have an image kind of close enough, you can actually do it straight here. So we're going to try and do that first. However, I want to get this copy here. So what I do for that is I'm going to go to 1 hour translation. And this here is where we use their service to translate the copy. So for example, I don't know Italian. I am Italian, but I don't know Italian. I would contact them and say, hey, I need this translated. This is what I want. And if it's a pretty popular geo like German, Italian, Spanish, things like that, it's going to come back pretty frequently. Some of the more harder languages can take a little bit longer, so keep that in mind. So I went ahead and did this for the Italy campaign that we're doing here today. So let's go ahead and use that information for our ad. Alright guys, since I've already gone ahead and done the 1 hour translation for this previously, since I have run this ad before, I already have all that great information, so we're just going to use that for the campaign here today. And let's go over to Megapush. So for the title, I have win a $500 voucher for Adidas. So we'll just go ahead and add that right here. And then here, this one says win a free pair of Adidas on us. So we'll put that on there. So good, we're good to go with the copy count, or the word count. I always tend to go over that for some reason. And then for the image, I've got a couple images here. Basically, it's just the shoes. So we have this one and we have this one here. So can do something like this. And just keep in mind, this image is typically what you'll see on like a desktop. You won't really see it on the other one besides here. So this one's good to go. This is Adidas Advidi Mobile Italy. And let's see. So I'm not going to set up any block lists. We want all of the Android, and do that, and we're good to go. So create. Oh, it's got to be that. So it's got to be greater than 1. So let's just do 1. What's all? Let's see. So I forgot to add the link. So we got to do that, our volume link. So let's go back to our campaign. This was, is it going to pop up? IOD, what did we type it in? Yeah. So here is it. I'm going to copy URL. Let's see if we can see the preview here. Maybe not. Probably not. Nope, because I'm still in the United States. Duh. But basically, I just forgot to add the link. So we just got to add the tracking link here. Then we should be good to go. We're all good. Create. campaign name. Why? I need all of this, yo. Do Navidi, IT, Adidas. See if that works. And we're good. All right. So, yep, that's it, guys. As you can see, it's all set up over here. This is our display. Got some campaign statistics over here where you can do some simple updates. And, yeah, that's about it. We're all set up with that. So what's going to happen now, guys, is it's going to go through like a small approval process to make sure everything is up to their standards. And then from there, it'll go ahead and start directing traffic out to the campaign for us to be able to further analyze after it sends the data back to our volume tracker. We'll apply the 3-day rule. After the 3 days, we'll take a look at the campaign. We'll decide if it's worth optimizing, either if it's already making us money, if it's already profitable, we're getting our return on our investment. And 2, if it is maybe break even, is there some opportunities that we missed out on? All of this information we'll be able to find within our volume tracker. So it is something crucial, I would say, in terms of doing affiliate marketing, CPA marketing. Having a tracker like volume is pretty crucial. It's going to show you a lot of great information like your click-through rate, your conversion rate. It's going to show you which zones and traffic sources basically. We're bringing you all of your traffic, things like that, some detailed statistics that you wouldn't necessarily get over here on Megapush. And with that being said, guys, that's going to be the end of the video.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.